Hey there! I'm Alex with MailerLite, and today we're diving into the exciting world of landing pages. With our brand new landing page builder, you'll be able to create stunning and effective landing pages that capture your audience's attention and help drive conversions. Needless to say, landing pages are an essential part of any successful e-commerce ecosystem, whether you're just getting started or you're an internet veteran. So, with all that said, let's dive in. To access the landing page builder, click Sites from your dashboard. Then click Create Site. Fill in what you'd like to name your site. Click Landing Page, then Save and Continue. Select your subscriber group, then Continue. Following this step, you'll be presented with our landing page creation page. Here, you can leverage our pre-designed templates for a quick start, or explore the capabilities of our innovative AI landing page builder. This AI tool will curate a customized landing page specifically for your needs based on the information you provide. For the purposes of this demonstration, however, we'll be selecting the Start from Scratch option. On the left, we have the main tools that we'll use to design a landing page. This includes our elements, sections, style, and settings. Toward the bottom left, you'll see the night mode on and off toggle and access to our knowledge base for the landing page builder. In the top bar, you'll see a toggle to design your landing page and success page, which is what visitors will see when you get those conversions rolling in. There's a view toggle to get a zoomed in or out view of your design, and a preview mode where you can get a desktop or mobile preview, as well as a URL of your design. You can also find a Done Editing button for when you've completed the design, and finally, an option to save your design as a template by clicking the three dots here. The main body is where you'll do all of your designing. If you look at the top right corner of this section, you'll see the gear icon. This lets you customize the top bar of your landing page with hiding or showing the buttons, keeping the top navigation in place as you scroll, and a select few style options. All right, now onto the builder. Our builder uses draggable content blocks or elements that you can add to sections or columns to create custom designs. And we have three main types of elements: content, social, and special. With these, you can fill in the main body of your landing page with objects like headings, text, images, social engagement sections, tables, products, forms, and so much more. We also have columns, which enable you to shape the layout of your page, so you can arrange the elements in a way that guides visitors through your content. Below the Elements button, we have sections. Think of them like a collection of elements professionally combined to make your life easier. We offer a variety of pre-made sections that you can drag and drop into your layout to create publish-ready designs in a snap. If you're familiar with our old builder, they're kind of like blocks. You can combine as many or as few sections as you'd like, even using them to create a new website design in seconds, or minutes, depending on how fast you can click and drag. One feature that's probably going to become one of your favorites is the Favorites folder. Once you've designed your elements into a stylish section, you can save it to your favorites and reuse it across all of your landing pages now and into the future. To save a section to your favorites, simply hover over the section to reveal the edit icons. Click the heart icon to save the section to your favorites. To access them, simply click into the Sections tab on the left sidebar and head to the top folder of the section. You'll be able to find all your saved sections there. Just like in our campaign drag and drop editor, you can set global brand styles, including fonts, colors, and typography, to ensure a consistent and professional look across your entire landing page, and any future landing pages. To do this, go over to the Style icon in the left sidebar and fill in your brand style elements. For our advanced plan users, we've integrated AI text and image generation. Sometimes we all need a little help to get those creative juices flowing, and with our AI integration, you can get suggestions for headlines, product descriptions, paragraphs, or whatever else you need to tell your audience. And to get our AI assistant to help you, simply highlight any text and click AI Suggestions. Now, before you type in your prompt, select the tone you'd like to use, text type, like if it's a short paragraph or something else, and also language, right down here. That'll help our assistant to help you the best that it can. And AI image generation is similar in function. Just tell the assistant what you need and let it go. So to use it, you'll need to drag and drop an image element onto your landing page and click the AI image button. Enter your prompt, select the style, and select if you'd like the image to be square, portrait, or landscape. Once you've got the image, you can add it to your page or save it to the file manager to use later. So there you have it. The new MailerLite landing page builder is packed with features to help you create amazing landing pages quickly and easily.